Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another unboxing fiesta. So today, got some nice stuff from AliExpress. So we got panel board mount for HDMI. You can see the HDMI in there, which is a very short panel mount HDMI, which is more panel mount HDMI adapters. Okay, done. So we got 1, 2, and 3. And we got this. Oh, I'm gonna need my scissors. Oh. We got DVI to HDMI. Learn how to put the scissors in. And this one, funny, I don't remember what this is. Oh, okay, I know. These are drill saw attachments. Ouch, that's the kind of shot. Why, it's in the case. Okay, so that one, when you do your wood, you get the thing in between and you get the edges cut off. Just put that back in. This one would be the mating adapter, which would get the center out and the edges in. So when you do your wood, you got that. Might have ordered the wrong size for one of these. No, never mind. That's actually how it is. Okay. No, never mind. I scared myself. Okay, so those actually are matching pairs. Put those back in. Nice little case so you don't hurt yourself. Might not want to accidentally cut through whatever it is. Or maybe I can just rip it open. Okay. Oh, these are my USB-C adapters. So when I plug in my USB-C device, I can charge it through this. More multi-packages. This one is VGA to HDMI. Nothing else in that. Oh, these are my left angle brackets. Always screws. About 50 pieces in there. And that. Then this one, it's an electric drill converter to electric saw adapter. Sounds a little ruffled. Ho ho ho. Look at this bad boy. Oh, this might work on something else I'd look for. No, this is just the actual drill. Hey, I thought I had... Oh, there's the blades. Okay. There's a saw. That's... one blade. I thought I had 4. Nope, nothing in the package. Soy. It's so healthy, it's soy. 7,500 RPM, 4 inches. empty box. Okay, so out of all of these, no manual, no surprise. Oh, can't tell if this is the wrench or not. So I know this is the handle. So if you wanted to hold the drill like this, or you hold it like this. That's the angle for it. Oh, that's good. Okay, now if this is here, this devil's a bit more trickier than I thought. Okay, so the round attachment would probably go here. Okay, so this is it. Oh, look, I already got it figured out already. Who needs a stinking manual? Guessing this long bolt, I can line it up. There. And this would go there. Okay, maybe not that one explicitly. Maybe this one. Nope. This bolt would go on. Okay, that's a nylon locking nut, so that makes sense. And you just bolt that in there. I'm guessing this is the tool to do this. A silly tool. Okay, so we got that. Okay, this might go here. Then when you want to bring it down, you just go like that. But that has to supposed to stay stationary. This one might do. And this one probably goes in here. Don't think it's the wing nut. That seems a bit big. I'd like to say it's backwards, but I don't think it is. Oh, okay. I get what this might be for. Oh. However, I'm not seeing a locking mechanism for this thing, as it just keeps going like the Energizer Bunny. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and we're gonna use good old vice grips, and then we're gonna see if we can get this bad boy popped off. Come on. I think I almost had it. Well, I do see it turning, so it is unscrewing. Let go. Okay. So if this is correct, and this would go on. Nope, never mind. That doesn't go on anywhere. Just put the swee blade in. Let's just outright take it out. Knowing my luck, I'll end up cutting myself before I even get this thing in. Oh, oh, there we go. Okay, so we'll put this together. Then we're going to do not put your fingers near the blade. If anything, this would be the safest bet to do. But I'm not going to hold my breath on this. Yeah, this just looks painfully dangerous. Okay, so that is... I think one of those goes there. So this, because of how the blade, it is probably cutting into this thing just a bit. It is offset, I can tell you that much. The hole is just slightly too big in the center, so maybe we got the wrong blade, but that's what it came in the package. It'll probably sort itself out when you start cutting more. And then you can adjust the guide to go 45 degree, 0. And then these two little washers, don't know where they go, but they'll go in with the box. So this also goes in like this. And then you just bolt it in with one of the bolts. Hey, look at that. So that's your template. Guessing this does millimeters or centimeters. Doesn't say what. And there you go. So that's your round saw. Now we got packages again. So let's start with this one. And then three little boxes in the big package. And then this one is car vacuum cleaner. And then this bad boy here. These are my aluminum channels. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at these things. That's empty. Then we got, these are the 4-corner joint pieces. This is a Helping Hands magnifier with a light. And make sure you don't accidentally cut anything. Haha, SATA 2.5-inch to USB 3. Okay. Now, aluminum channels. These things are designed for modeling or parts milling and stuff like that. These are so when you do a drawer, you put 4 corners together, and these will hold it. You just push that in, you put your 2 corners in, and then it holds it. Silly little parts. And now a car vacuum cleaner. Let's see how this works out. Where did I put my X-Acto? Oh look, I actually got an X-Acto this time. So a car vacuum cleaner, that's it. It's pretty simple. It passed. Use of the portable charging voltage, 5-volt current, 1 amp. Turned off before charging, blue when working, red when charging. Different nozzles to different situations. Flat nozzle against the surface. Filter absorbs a lot of dust, so just a sweep in time. Forbidden to inhale combustibles such as burning cigarette butts. Well, that's up to you. Product is equipped with a USB charging cable. Does not say USB 2, 3, micro, mini. Do not remove, repair, or modify the product on yours unless you are a authorized. I think that might be an accidental space, but who am I? Maintenance personnel. Please do not cover the air inlet or outlet when it's working. Otherwise, the product may deform or catch fire by overheating. I wonder how flimsy it is. Forbidden to use it while charging. Can't say that about my phone. Just use it. Should only not be used for a long time or collecting efficiency will play down. There you go. So, here's our little hair dryer. Ooh. So there's one filter, there's two filter. This is a USB 3, baby. Look at that. I can get my, look at this. I can charge my headphones and I can charge my vacuum both on USB 3. Look at that. Oh, there's the red light. Yeah, you're right. It is forbidden to use it while charging. It won't work. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. And then these just go on like that, or this twist off. This goes like that. These just go in like that. Or is there another locking mechanism I'm not familiar with? Like, you would think that this would be the locking mechanism, but that's not it. This you can attach to this. This goes not on that. This goes not on that. That just goes like that. I'm trying. So if that's the filter, so that's not going to work that way. This should work this way, but it does not. So if this is this, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Doesn't say how to put all these parts on. We'll just figure it out by blind eye. Okay, so big piece goes on. That's that. This filter goes inside. Okay. Okay, I see. If this goes, that's not going to fit the filter. So even if you put the filter backwards, it ain't going to fit. when I'm looking inside, there's nothing here for these clips here. Same with this. There's nothing here with these clips. They don't turn in each other. This thing doesn't have anything for it except here. Well, I almost thought I had it. Okay, so these two filters are the same, so that's not going to change. So this can go on this. No problem. This can go in. Doesn't go in there. This goes on that. This goes on that. So these three are fine. This does not go in there. That doesn't go on there. If this goes on there, then the filter has to be, or this one goes inside and goes into there. Well, that's it. That's all I got for you. 1, 2, 3. Look at that, just like the picture. Well, that's it for this vacuum. Not much to the eye. Going to put this back in. Now we're waiting for the big boy. Ho ho ho, look at this. This is a drill. Out the way, this is the main event. Look at this. Whoa. You got one battery. You got two battery. You have a US Canada power cable. This tells you how much battery charge is in it. Cordless 4 to 0, 0 to 450, and then 0 to 15. So these are the two speeds. And then there's your chuck. $25. Look at this baby. Handling instructions. Driver drill. Keep your area clean and well lit. Do not operate power tools in explosive atmospheres such as flammable liquid, gas, or dust. Battery operated tool with integral batteries or a separate battery pack must be recharged with the specified charger for the battery. Now, since I did not see that, oh, there it is. There's the plug. Haha, clever. You put it in there. Let's see. That one's full. Battery operated tool with integral batteries must be recharged or e-charged. Battery operated tool only with specially designated battery pack. What does this do? This is 21 to 48 volt 1 amp. I don't think I have anything like this. That's pretty powerful. Battery cartridge is removable for adjusting, installing, removing battery cartridge. Always switch the tool off before insertion or removal of the battery cartridge. Withdraw it from the tool while pressing on both sides of the cartridge. Insert the battery, align the tongue on the battery cartridge with the groove in the housing and slip it into place. Always insert it all the way until it locks in place with a little click. If not, it may accidentally fall out of the tool, causing injury to you or someone around you. Make sure you wear those steel-toe shoes. To maintain product safety and reliability, repairs, any other maintenance or adjustments should be performed by professional service centers, always using our replacement parts. And then it's all in different languages. There we go. Components. Trigger switch. To start the tool, simply pull the switch trigger. Tool speed is increased by increasing pressure on the switch trigger. Release the trigger switch to stop. Forward, reverse, change the direction of the rotation. Keyless chuck to clamp or release the drill. Torque adjustment to adjust the torque of the drill between 1 to 25. Multi-function adjustment collar. Mechanical disassembly function, drilling function, impact drill function. Gear shifter. 1 is low speed, 2 is high speed. Do not use the speed change lever while the tool is running. Do not put the shifter in the middle. Battery pack. Removable and rechargeable. There we go. So, we're going to see. So that's what they're talking about. Hey. It even has a little light. See that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it even comes with assorted drill bits, a flexi tool so if you can't get into tight spots, that's your tool to use. Get ready. This can go in there or in here. You can put that in there if you got a bigger bolt. You need a bigger bolt to get that in there. But yes, you can get this in here. Oh, there we go. Never mind. I see what I'm missing. There's that Allen key. Oh, right in front of my face. Okay. So this one can't really adjust much to get the thing in. The chuck. Yeah, you would prefer to have this in the chuck area, not in the actual. Yeah, it looks like we're going to need a bigger bolt. I mean, that's all it really is. But yes, you can put this in there, and then you can just go and adjust this as you need it. Okay, so that's how the drill comes out. Now, how does it go back in? Got it. Yeah. Hey. And it won't fit. Silly box. Why won't you fit? Maybe that's what this is for. Let's see. That looks right. Battery. Battery. Plug. Oh, look at that. They just stickered it upside down and whatnot. Okay, there we go. It's nice that none of this locks into place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good night.